Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Firefox browser on your SONY Xperia 1.4. So in order to do this, we'll need to open our Google Play Store. From here, begin a search for an app and enter Firefox. Hit the search button, select this app and install it. After installation process is finished, we can open the app. From here, choose your theme, so you can pick light or dark. Change your toolbar placement, always on privacy settings. Sign in order to synchronize Firefox between other devices. Read this privacy notice and finally start browsing. Here open any website, and as you can see, the browser works perfectly. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.